Hi, readers. It's me, Barb from Trolls. And me, Mrs. Holbrook. How are you? I know you're not used to seeing my face. I'm going to be doing a couple of the videos for the next few days. And I have two helpers here to help me learn the reading. These are my kids. What's your name? And what's your name? So Charlie and Carter will be helping us with our lessons this week. These lessons are some really exciting ones. What do you say we get started? So, my friend Charlie has Baby Echo. My friend Carter has Rainbow. And I have Barb. So, when Barb looks at you, I want you to repeat after me. Let's learn these letters, keywords, and sounds. A, apple, ah. You guys can repeat after me too if you want. E, ed, eh. I, itch, eh. Good. At home, make sure you're repeating after me. O, octopus, ah. You, up, And now for some consonants. J, jug, j. Q, u, queen, qua. Nice job with those large sounds. Now I'm going to pick some of the standard cards that are sometimes a little bit tricky too. Let's see here. All right, let's see if we can do these. Repeat after me. A, apple, ah. C, k. I, itch, it. Everybody show me what it looks like to itch. It's so itchy. Good. N, mm. Very good. Did you put your tongue behind your tooth for that one? Good job. P, W, w. Like wonderful. You guys are all doing wonderful. Walrus, that's right. Okay, here's another one. V, v. Very good. That's a lip biting sound. V. Like Valentine's Day is coming up. Not like bike. Bike starts with B, not V. Okay, great job. We're going to do one more thing for our warm-up learners. The last part of our warm-up is our vowel extension. So I'm going to trace these, and I want you to sing them with me as I go. Ready? Sing them with me. Here we go. A, apple, a. Do it with me. E, ed, eh. I, itch, eh. O, octopus, ah. And last one, you, up, ah. Woohoo, everybody. Give yourselves a pat on the back for getting that warm-up going. All right. Now, today, we're going to do some reading of words and some spelling of words. Are you ready? All right, so let's check it out. This is my cool little board for us to read some words. All right, and I feel like sometimes it's a little small. Let me zoom in a little more. There we go. Perfecto. All right, readers. Here comes your first word. I'm going to build it right up here. I'm going to start with the M, and then all words need vowels. Vowels are this pink color. I'll put that next, and I'll end with a consonant. Okay, here's our word right here. I want you to get ready to read it. Now remember, to read it, we're going to use our fingers to tap. So each time we see a sound, we're going to tap our finger to our thumb. So there's 3 cards here, so we have 3 sounds. Let's tap it together and read it. Are you ready? Fingers up. At, mat. Mat. That's right. And watch me point and blend it. Mat. Mat. Who knows what a mat is? Charlie, what's a mat? Oh, yes. Do any of you lay on a mat?
I put my hands up too.
Maybe I'll call on you next time. Or maybe you have a mat when you walk into your house to get the dirt off of your shoes. Yeah. Mat. Okay. Now watch this, readers. I'm going to change out one of these sounds. Just one of them. And let's see if we can tell what the word is. So we got rid of the and I'm starting it with a k now. Let's tap it out. Tap it with me. Get your fingers up at home. At. Cat. Very good. We went from mat to cat. Those words, they rhyme. Very good, readers. Okay, I'm going to change one letter again. I'm getting rid of the k. So we still have at. Now, what if this b comes over? What is the word now? Can you tap it out for me at home? What's the word, everybody? Bat. B-at. Good. Can you all pretend to be a baseball or softball player and swing a bat? Good. Now, how about the other kind of bat? Pretend you have wings and you're flying in the sky like a bat. Ah. Okay. This time, I'm not going to change the beginning. I'm going to change the end. So I'm going to get rid of the T. And I'm going to add in this G. What does G say, everyone? G, 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 G. Okay. Get those fingers up and tap it for me. Ag. Bag. What's the word? Bag. Everyone pretend to show me your nice little school bag. It's got all your stuff in it. Very good. Okay, now let's change. Let's change the vowel. What color's the vowel? It's the pink one. Very good. So let's get rid of that. And let's put a new vowel in here. I'm going to put the U. And can you tap and read me this word? B-ug. Bug. What's the word? Bug. No, you don't bug me. Do you have a bug in your house? No. I hope there's no bugs crawling around on you. Okay, we're going to change the beginning sound now. We're going to get rid of B. So if you take B away, what do we have left? Ugh. But now I'm going to add a new sound. Here comes the M. What word do we have now, readers? Tap it out for me. Ugh. Mug. Mug. Let's all pretend we have a mug. What's inside your mug as you sip it? You have coffee? You're too young for coffee. I have hot chocolate in mine. Yummy. Okay, we're going to get rid of the G now. And we're going to put in the letter D. And remember, D has the drum first. The belly comes first in the D. So we know it sounds like a drum. Let's tap out this word. Mud. That makes me think of Peppa Pig. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Mud. Okay, one more word. I am getting rid of the M. Bye-bye. So we still have ud. But this time, I'm going to bring the B. And remember, the B looks different from the D because the lips come first. So we have to put our lips together to say B, B, B. Let's tap out this word. B, ud. What's the word? Bud. Oh, because guess what? Baby Echo and Barb are best buds. Bud is a friend. Okay. Nice. Oh, yeah. This one's a friend, too. All right. Fantastic job, everybody, with all of that reading. Now it's time for us to do some spelling. Okay. This is pretty new, but I know that you can do it. So when I say a word, we are going to tap out each sound. And in our heads, we're going to picture those little tiles. We're going to picture a card for each of those sounds. So if I say the word map, because look right back there, I have a map of the world. If I say map, let's tap it out. Map. How many taps did we do? Very good. We did 3. So in your mind's eye, I want you to picture 3 little cards, okay? And then we have to think, what would the different letters be for those different cards? And that's what would happen when we spell it. So we're going to go back and tap it again. What letter says M. So we bring the M. The word was What are you picturing for that letter a? I'm picturing an A says a. And at the end of the word map. What letter says p? Okay. So that is how we spell a word. We tap it and spell it. Map. And then map. And then we check it and make sure it really says it. Okay, at home, are you ready to try one? All right, I'm gonna clear my board and I want you to go get your tile board that you have at home with your Velcro. Pause until you have it. Okay, here's your word. Lip. Before you touch anything, just tap it with me. P. 3 taps, so we're gonna have 3 cards. So, what did you hear first, everybody? Don't say anything. Find the card that said and bring your letter to the top of your board. Okay, what did you hear next? Like I'm gonna itch myself all over. Yes, we have I. And what about that ending sound? Lip. There we go. Do you have L-I-P on your board? What does it spell, everybody? Lip. Point to your lip. You have 2 lips. Very good, very good. Okay, let's try a few more words. Go ahead and clear your deck. So take each letter and put it back. L, spell it out loud. I-P. Great job. Okay, spellers, here's your next one. Let's do the word mud. Let's tap it out. D. Okay, what do we hear first? What letter says Find that letter and bring it over. And listen for the middle sound. Like That's right. It's you. Very good. And what's at the end of d? Find that D. Okay, once you have it, let's spell it. M-U-D. Mud. Nice job. Okay, let's clear that card. All right, before we do more spelling, I want to know what says B. Point to the letter on your board that says B. What's that letter's name, everybody? B. Very good. Okay, how about this one? What says Eh? Point to it. E. Very good. Let's do one more. What says Y? Did you point to Y at home? Good for you. Okay, let's do 2 more words. Build the word mad because Barb is mad. Tap it and build it. And if you're stuck, look at mine for help. Okay, let's spell it together. M-A-D, mad. Okay, now we're gonna just change one letter here. We're gonna change it from mad to mat. So we have to get rid of the last one, so put your D back, and what will you change it to make it say mat? Very good. Let's spell mat, everybody. M-A-T. Oh my goodness, readers, great job spelling and reading today. Please make sure all your tiles are back in the right spots on your tile board. And can you say bye to Barb and Baby Echo and Charlie and Carter? Bye, guys. Great reading. Keep it up.